Good morning. I'm going to give you a Cosmelan peel update. I just woke up and my skin is pretty red and it's so dry and flaky and tight around my mouth. This is the area that's been the hardest this time. I'm about halfway through the Cosmelan peel, and if you don't know, you get a professional level peel on the first day that you leave on for 8 hours and then wash off. And then day 3 to 30, you put on this home peel, which is a less intense version of the professional peel. You put on a thin layer all over your face where you got the original peel, and you're supposed to do it 3 times a day. And I haven't been able to do it 3 times. I've been able to do it morning and night. Sometimes I can do the afternoon layer, but wow, it just feels like your face is on fire and it's so itchy and tight. It feels like you just started tretinoin and you've been incorporating it into your skincare routine. That's what it feels like really tight and like flaky and burning. It also kind of feels like you were out skiing and you have windburn on like the lower portion of your face where you weren't wearing your goggles. You get a home kit that comes with the peel and a sunscreen, a moisturizer, like a hydrating balm type moisturizer, but I can't stand the way those smell, so I threw them away. This is my second Cosmelan peel and I threw them away last time. I can't stand them. I don't understand why they give you heavily fragranced products to put on your face when your face feels like it's on fire. It just seems totally counterintuitive. So I'm gonna show you the skincare products that I've been using that really help to soothe my skin. My top product I've been using is this Ren Overnight Recovery Balm. It is so amazing. It's this really thick balm product that makes my skin feel so much better. It's called their evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm for sensitive skin. The other product that I've been using that the esthetician actually recommended, who gave me the peel, is this Avene, I think that's how you say this brand, Cicalfate Plus. I'm not really sure how to say it. This is a restorative protective cream for sensitive, delicate skin. This also feels amazing. I like how easy it is to apply from this tube, so I've actually been bringing this with me when I leave the house in case my skin gets really dry and I need to put a layer of this on. You can see it's just this thick kind of balm type product. So those are my top 2 products, but I've also been trying some other products. This Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty is really great. It's intense hydration with colloidal oatmeal. It's a skin protectant. I used this last time. It's a really nice hydrating cream, but the first 2 balms I showed you are my favorite. I've also been using this other serum balm from Mount Lay. It is the Calming Herbal Repair Serum Concentrate Balm. The balms are the products that I think work the best because they're soothing and super hydrating and really thick. This one's almost gone. I really like this one. And then the last one I've been trying is a product I just got. It's the new Bora Barrier Repair Cream from Drunk Elephant. And it's just a thick, hydrating cream to rebuild and restore. It's a cream, not a balm. I like it, but I'm not liking it as much as the balms. But since I'm only halfway through the peel, my skin is gonna change throughout the rest of the 30 days. I can mix it with the balm or layer it on top of the balm because you're applying moisturizer or balm all throughout the day because your face feels so dry. But I'm definitely making progress. I can't wait to show you the after photo when I'm done with this whole process. It's gonna be worth it. I have a whole bunch of different sunscreens I've been using as well with this peel, so let me know if you want me to make a video next to share you the sunscreens I've been using.